Smallville is brought to you in part by AT&T.
This just in via text message and wall post. The search is on for cute boots.
Introducing the Motorola Backflip from AT&T, breaking the news that's important to you.
This just in on Twitter and Facebook. A local bachelor age 41 has just enrolled in karate.
Find out what's possible when you get Facebook, Twitter, text, and more, streaming on a single screen.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Joe Daviess County, southwestern Stephenson County, northeastern Carroll County, until 10 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., train spotters and Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a funnel cloud that may produce a tornado at any time. This dangerous storm was located 7 miles northwest of Georgetown, or 30 miles northeast of Clinton, and moving west at 15 miles an hour. The tornado will be near Pearl City around 9:10 p.m., Lena around 9:15 p.m., Freeport around 9:20 p.m., Cedarville around 9:25 p.m., Dakota around 9:35 p.m., Rock City around 9:40 p.m. This includes Highway 20 between mile markers 49 and 59. Heavy rain may obscure the approach of the tornado. Take shelter now. The safest place to be in a tornado is in a basement, or interior room or hallway on the lowest floor of a building. Please report any severe weather or damage to your local law enforcement agency for relay to the National Weather Service. This storm is also capable of producing large hail the size of golf balls. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Wednesday morning for southeastern Iowa and northwestern Illinois and northeast Missouri. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Joe Daviess, Stephenson, and Carroll.
You've never seen fast. You've never held it in your hand, then unleashed it with the